So today we are going to learn a very important feature called Intelligent Configuration Manager. So if you're an SAP consultant, I mean, at least in a month or maybe in a couple of months, once you will be asked to enable parameters, or maybe you will be enabling the parameters to enable different functionalities. Parameters is nothing but you just keep it in your mind that you just click a button and a new feature comes up. So in Ariba, where is that window where you can find the parameters? So let's say I go to maybe administration. Okay, if I go to administration, if I go to intelligent configuration manager, I click on manage configurations and I click on continue. I see a window like this. Do not get confused. We have even different stages of enabling a parameter, but let's discuss the basics now. So if you go to sourcing and contracts, if you click on parameters, yeah, self-service parameters, like I said. So in the self-service parameters, you can see, there are different self-service parameters which can be enabled by you. Now, if I go and come here, SAP controlled parameters. SAP controlled parameters are nothing but this must be enabled by SAP. You need to go to SAP for me, you need to raise the request, and they will enable it for you. So this is one point, one important point for you to remember. If you go to self-service parameters, how how the parameter is enabled. So let's say there is a parameter called, okay, what do I enable it? So, okay, there is called enable template version upgrade application, enable template version upgrade. Okay, so basically we are trying to enable the feature template version upgrade from no to yes. And then once you do that, you need to add it to a package. Here you give a description. I mean, enable upgrade. Yeah. And what does it say? It says from no to yes, you are enabling it. Here, always remember if you just select save changes in the test site only, meaning these changes will not be moved to prod. Okay, one very good example which I can give for you if you're an ABAPer or an SAP MM consultant is how do you move the transport changes? You do the changes in development, then to test, then to prod. Same thing we would do in Ariba over here. You would you add the changes. Don't click on save the changes in test set only, then it will not move. Then you just click on the package, submit the package, and once submit the package, okay, it has a conflict of configuration. But okay, anyways, just for you to understand that you would submit the package, then you would test the package, and then there you would deploy it. Submit the package, test the package, and deploy it. That's it. So this also work like similar way. How do you do the transport? Again, very one important thing for you to know is um, when you do the transport, how would you revert the parameter? Reverting parameter doesn't mean that okay, you can go to the same package and say from yes to no. No, it doesn't work like that. You again need to create a new package. You cannot touch the old package. In the new package, you need to say from yes to no. Let's say if you enabled the package before, you need to create a new package with the same parameter and say, let's say for example, let me show you. Go to sourcing and contracts, go to parameters, and say yes, or maybe I just wanted to say no. From yes, I want to say no. Again, I need to add to the package. Again, I need to submit the package, test the package, and say whether it is fail or not, and then deploy. So, what are the steps? Submit the package, test it, deploy. So like that, you have three steps, and if you do that, the package will go and sit in the prod. As simple as that.